Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to download, install, and use OBS. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. OBS is a great free way of recording your screen, so it will guide you through getting it and how you can use it as well. To get started, go and open up a web browser to go and type in OBS, so you can just type it in like so. Come to the site obsproject.com. Now you can go and choose which you want to go and get. This case I'm using. We can click there now. Go and wait for it to download, and we can go and find the download your file. So I'll go to my downloads folder here, and here it is. What you need to do is go and double click it, and we can go and start the process. Get a Windows code you pop up. You need to agree to what you'll need to do is and press. Make sure you go and agree to the agreement, and you can choose a destination of where it's as well. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.